A phrase I bring you today is a frosty reception. A frosty reception is a cold and unfriendly welcome. For example, he received a frosty reception when he arrived late to the meeting. So don't arrive late to the meeting if you don't want to have a frosty reception. Another winter idiom is a snow job. A snow job means deceptive talks or actions intended to deceive, to distract or persuade someone. For example, his explanation was just a snow job to cover up the real issues. Or the sales pitch felt like a snow job because they never delivered what they promised. The idiom I bring you today is the tip of the iceberg. Imagine the iceberg. We all know that the part of the iceberg we see is the smallest part and is much bigger under the water. So when we say the tip of the iceberg, we refer to a small, visible part of much larger problem. For example, the issues we see are the tip of the iceberg, and there is much more beneath the surface. Winter is a stone in my shoes. Can you imagine having a stone in your shoes? It's something really annoying and disturbing you. So when we say winter is a stone in my shoes, we refer to something really persistently annoying. For example, dealing with these difficult clients is like having winter as a stone in my shoes. Today I bring you 3 different idioms but with one meaning. When we would like to say that something is extremely unlikely to happen, we can say a snowball's chance in a frying pan. For example, without proper qualifications, he has a snowball's chance in a frying pan of getting that job. Another 2 phrases with the same meaning is a snowball's chance in hell or a snowball's chance in sauna. Tell me, which one do you prefer? And the last phrase I bring you today is winter to spring. Winter to spring means a positive transformation or improvement of something. It's quite similar to changing seasons from winter to spring. For instance, their relationships went from winter to spring after resolving their misunderstandings. So their relationship has improved. This is the end of our video. If you want to see videos like this, I invite you to follow my channel.